Click on the link below to get discount. Welcome to our review of the Jackery Solar Generator 5000 Plus, a powerhouse in the realm of portable energy solutions. In today's world, the importance of renewable energy cannot be overstated. As we face climate challenges, turning to sustainable options is not just beneficial, but essential. Renewable energy sources like solar power allow us to harness nature's energy, reducing our carbon footprint while keeping our devices powered. Now, let's dive into what portable power stations like the Jackery Solar Generator 5000 Plus are all about. These versatile devices provide clean, quiet energy wherever you need it. Whether you're camping in the great outdoors, preparing for emergency situations, or just enjoying a day at the park, portable power stations can keep your devices charged and running, offering convenience and peace of mind. The Jackery Solar Generator 5000 Plus stands out in this market for its impressive features. It boasts a massive 5,120 watt-hours of capacity, allowing you to power multiple devices simultaneously. With numerous outputs including AC, USB, and DC ports, it's designed to accommodate everything from laptops to small appliances. Plus, it's compatible with Jackery solar panels, enabling off-grid charging. When it comes to design and build quality, the Jackery Solar Generator 5000 Plus impresses. It has a sturdy yet portable design, crafted from durable materials that ensure longevity. Weighing in at 43 pounds, it's manageable enough for transport, and its ergonomic handle makes carrying easier than ever. Performance is where the Jackery really shines. With a 5,000-watt pure sine wave inverter, it delivers stable power, which is crucial for sensitive electronics. The large battery capacity means you can recharge your devices multiple times before needing to power up the generator itself. This makes it ideal for long trips or unexpected outages. Usability is another strong point. The intuitive LCD display shows you the remaining battery life and charging status, making it easy to monitor. Compact dimensions mean it fits well in your vehicle or camping gear without taking up too much space, making it truly versatile. Charging options are plentiful. You can charge it via solar panels, AC outlets, or even your car's 12V socket. This flexibility means you can recharge it almost anywhere, ensuring you're never left in the dark. Let's talk real-life applications. Imagine you're on a weekend camping trip, and you need power for your portable fridge and phone. Or perhaps you're hosting an outdoor movie night with friends, needing to charge a projector and speakers. The Jackery Solar Generator 5000 Plus makes these scenarios not just possible, but hassle-free. As with any product, there are pros and cons. On the plus side, its high capacity and multiple charging options are huge advantages. Users also rave about its ease of use and reliable performance. However, it may be heavier than some might prefer for ultra-portable options, and the price point might be a consideration for budget-conscious buyers. When comparing it to competitors, the Jackery Solar Generator 5000 Plus holds its ground well. While brands like EcoFlow and Goal Zero offer similar products, Jackery's extensive user base and reputation for quality put it in a favorable light. To sum it all up, the Jackery Solar Generator 5000 Plus is a remarkable investment for anyone seeking reliable and portable energy. Its powerful performance, robust build quality, and user-friendly design make it a strong contender in the portable power space. If you're looking to stay powered up in any situation, this generator is definitely worth considering. So, are you ready to embrace the power of renewable energy in your adventures? If you found this review helpful, please like and subscribe for more content. And don't forget to check out the product link in the description for more details on the Jackery Solar Generator 5000 Plus. Thank you for joining us today. Click on the link below to get discount.